Hi, I'm Ethan Rowell. This is my bike check. This is my 2013 Aeronauts Pro. Let's start from the front. In the front, we got a Vandero 2 hub. And we got some Odyssey Quadrant rims, Vapor Blue, with some Odyssey Aeronauts tires. We got some Aeronauts double space bars in the front. And we got an Odyssey Tomahawk. It's new. We got some pretty beat up Aeronauts grips. And the forks, we got Odyssey R32 Raceworks. We got just a Sunday 2013 Aeronauts frame. Sunday Sabertooth sprocket. Odyssey Thunderbolts. Odyssey Twisted pedals, just a KMC chain. Odyssey seat post. And favorite part on the bike, Sunday, seat clamp. We got an Aeronauts pivotal seat post. And we got a Quartet hub right there. And we got another Aeronauts tire and a Quadrant in the back. Thank you. Have a great day. Now suck my dick. Don't get that last one.